Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will make one more video and solve the question number 13, which I have taken 13 exercise chapter number 13 and D1 mathematics. The question is, a figure is made up of triangle ABD and a semicircle. It is given in the question that this picture is the combination of two different figures. The first one is the triangle and the other one is a semicircle. BOD. Look at this. BOD is the diameter of a semicircle with center O. If AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD, and these two lines also show that both are same in measurement. And look at this, AB is equal to AD is equal to 5.7 centimeter. BD is equal to 7 centimeter. What is BD? Actually, BD is the diameter of the semicircle as well as the base of a triangle. BD is the diameter and base of a triangle, both are same, which is 7 centimeter, and AOC is equal to 8 centimeter. What is this AOC? Actually, AOC is the length from this point to this point, and it is given in the last of this figure, 8 centimeter. Find the perimeter and the area of this figure. Now we have to find the perimeter as well as area of the complete figure. Actually, in the question already they split the figure into two parts. One is the triangle and the other one is the semicircle. So step by step, first we will find the area of a semicircle, triangle, then add up of these two area and get the answer of this desired shape. So let's start the solution. First I will identify the lengths. Actually, area of semicircle is equal to pi r square divides by 2. As we know that the value of pi is 3.14, and what is the radius? Actually, the diameter is 7 centimeter, so radius will be 3.5 meter. The radius is always half of the diameter. So look at this. Okay, I will make one more calculation here. Diameter is equal to 2r and r is equal to d divides by 2. The diameter is 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5 is the answer, and this is the radius. The radius is 3.5. This is the radius. Now putting the values, 3.14 multiplied by 3.5 square divides 2. After simplification I will get the answer. Now we will find the area of a triangle. Look at this. For the area of triangle I need the base and height of this triangle. The triangle is ABD is a triangle. The base of the triangle is the diameter of the semicircle and it is 7 centimeter. But what will be the height of the triangle? The height of triangle is missing. So how I can find out? Now we will find the length of a triangle. Okay, look at this. The complete length from point A to C. The complete length from point A to C is 8 centimeter. It is given at the end of the figure. You can also see in your book. Look at, I have a stick which is approximately equal to the radius of this shape. Look at this. It starts from the center point and end to the boundary of the circle. This is the radius, okay, and it is approximately 3.5 centimeter. Okay, now I am going to remove it. It is again a radius, because radius is from the center point to the boundary of a circle. We will not just say that the radius from A to B or to D, radius from point O to B, from point O to D, and from point O to C. It is again a radius, and the length of this radius is 3.5 centimeter. If the complete length from point A to C, the complete length is 8 centimeter, and if we will remove 3.5 from the 8, so you will get the length of our triangle. So what will be the length of the triangle? The length of a triangle is the subtract 3.5 from 8. 8 minus 3.5 centimeter. It is also in centimeter. The answer is 4.5 centimeter, which is the length of triangle. This is the length of triangle. Keep in your mind whenever you will get some shapes, so you have to identify what will be the length. Sometimes length is missing. Actually it is not missing, we just have to find the length. So the length of triangle is 4.5 centimeter. I am repeating again, the length from point A to C is 8 centimeter and the radius from O to point C is 3.5 centimeter. So subtract 3.5 from 8 centimeter, you will get the answer 4.5 centimeter, which is the length of the triangle. Now putting the values, area of triangle ABD 1/2 B multiplied by H is the formula to find the area of a triangle. Now we will put the values 1/2 BOD. BOD is the base is BOD, multiplied by AO. AO is the height. 7 multiplied by 4.5. After simplification, you will get answer 15.75 centimeter square. Now the area of complete figure is area of semicircle plus area of triangle. Now sum up these two areas and you will get the area of this figure. Now the last thing is we have to find out the parameter of the shape A, B, C, D. We will just add up the length of the boundary lines. A to B is 5.7 centimeter. A to D is again 5.7 centimeter, and the length which is missing is BCD. Actually BCD is also the circumference of the semicircle. How I can find out the length of BCD? With the help of this formula pi r. By using the formula pi r, I will find the length of BCD. Now sum up these three boundary lines, A to B plus BCD plus DA, and you will get the parameter of this shape. Now the parameter of the figure is length of AB, length from A to B, length of AB plus length of BCD, which we have find out by using the formula pi r. Length of BCD plus length of DA, AB plus BCD plus DA. So the length of AB is 5.7. The length of BCD, actually it is the circumference of the semicircle. Put the formula pi r plus 5.7 again, because DA is also 5.7 centimeters. These two lines show, actually these two lines tell us both are equal. AB and AD both are same. So 5.7 plus the value pi is 3.14 multiplied by 3.5 plus 5.7. After simplification, you will get answer 10.99 centimeter. You can also round off and write 11, but I am using the accurate value. At the end you will get answer 22.39 centimeter, which is the parameter of the required shape. Keep in your mind, we will not add up 7 centimeter because this is not the boundary line of the shape. In the parameter, we will just add up the boundary lines, not the lines which is not the part of the boundary. Okay, it is the centered line. This is not including the boundary line. Okay, I hope this video help you to find understand the solution of this question. So inshallah we will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.